Hi, welcome. In this short video, I'll show you a few simple rules that keep your Excel lists neat and accurate. And I'll walk you through quick sorting and a more powerful multi-level sort you can use when you need to order by more than one column. Before you click anything, learn this one common mistake that breaks spreadsheets. Many people select just the column they want to sort. For example, only the last name column. When you do that, if you don't focus, Excel moves the names but leaves the phone numbers and addresses where they were. The result is scrambled records and wrong info next to the wrong person. The safe habit to use every time is to click a single cell inside the column you want to sort, not to highlight the whole column. Excel is smart and will automatically expand the selection to include the connected rows so that each row stays together as a record. Now, for a fast way to organize data, click a single cell in the column you want sorted. Then go to the Data tab on the ribbon. For alphabetical order, click the Sort Ascending button, the one that shows a above Z. Hovering over it usually shows Sort Ascending. Click it, and your list will reorder from A to Z. If you want numbers sorted from highest to lowest, click a cell in that number column. Go to the Data tab and click the Sort Descending button, the one that shows Z above A. That will put the largest numbers at the top and the smallest at the bottom. Excel adapts the buttons to the data type. Text becomes alphabetical, numbers sort by size, and dates sort chronologically. Sometimes you need more control, like grouping by department and then sorting people inside each department by name. For that, use Custom Sort. Click any cell in your dataset, go to the Data tab, and choose Custom Sort. In the dialog, set your first level, for example, department with order A to Z. Then add a level and set it to name with order A to Z. Click OK. And Excel will first organize by department, then alphabetize the names inside each department. To recap, never highlight only a single column. Always click one cell inside the column you want to sort. Use the Quick Sort Ascending or Descending buttons for one-click ordering. And use Custom Sort when you need multi-level rules. These steps keep your rows intact and your data trustworthy. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment saying what problem you want me to solve next. Take care and bye.